In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number in Steam. By the end, you'll have your new number securely linked to your account, and you'll know what to expect at each screen so nothing catches you off guard. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer, or head to the Steam website in your browser. Log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile name. From the menu that opens, choose Account Details. This page is where Steam keeps your security and contact information. Scroll down until you find the Contact Info section. Here, click Manage Your Phone Number, or it may appear as Change Number depending on your setup. Steam will first ask whether you still have access to your old phone number. If you do, select Yes, I have the old phone number. If you don't, Steam will guide you to Steam support to remove the old number first. That step is important because it confirms ownership and keeps your account protected. If you indicated that you have access, Steam will send a verification code to the old number. In some cases, you might receive the code through the Steam Guard app instead. Enter the code exactly as shown to proceed. If it takes a moment to arrive, that's normal, just keep the device nearby and double-check that you have a signal. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your new phone number. Type it carefully, including the correct country code if it appears as an option. A small typo can prevent messages from arriving, so it's worth a close look before you continue. Click Next to move on. Steam will send a confirmation link to your account's email. Open your email, find the message from Steam, and click the link to verify. If you don't see it right away, check your other folders just in case. This extra email step ensures that both your phone and your email match your account. Finally, Steam will text a verification code to your new number. Enter that code to finalize the update. Once accepted, your new phone number is officially linked to your Steam account. This helps with login approvals, password resets, and account recovery, so it's a good idea to make sure it's always current. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.